Hi, hello and good morning everyone. Newborn investor here and welcome to my live day trading video. Hopefully the market gives us some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. So if you're new to my channel, you know what to do. Consider subscribing if you're interested in stock market investing and trading. I do offer a free Discord chat group where I post my trade ideas before it plays out. However, we don't give buy or sell signals here, so if you're expecting it, then this group may not be the place. But if you're still interested in learning and being part of the community, please feel free to check out the link in the description below. Alright, let's see what we have for today. As expected, the market is very slow. I don't have any good setups pre-market. Just watching NEO for the sake of watching. I think today would be a scanner day. I'll be looking at my scanners pre-market as well as at market open for finding any setups. But pre-market as of now, I don't have any impressive setups. The market opens in another 20 minutes, so I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys just before market open. Market opens in another 15 seconds and as of now, just watching NEO. NEO is clearly on a downtrend. Market is open. Watching BNGO. It's a penny stock, but it looks impressive. Not ready to pull the trigger yet. I'll wait. This is why you should not be chasing. Just think of people who bought it around 340, 345 area. So clearly $3 is holding as a support. I'm not good at trading penny stocks, so maybe I'll miss the move, but that's okay. So NEO looks interesting now. Switching to NEO. Look at this move. Yep, now it's interesting. I'll be interested to buy 50 shares at 48.75. Just waiting. Bounced off the 49 support area, so I don't want to chase the stock, so I'll be looking to buy any pullbacks. Look at this move from $47.80 to $49.70. Looks like NEO doesn't want to slow down, but I'm not going to chase. I'll stick firm to my entry price at $48.75. Just putting an order out for 50 shares out there. Then I would be looking to add at 48.52. NEO is clearly overextended, but I'll stick to my add. The $0.50 support is now broken. Next support should be around 49 area, and if it breaks, then probably I'll get my add around 48.75. So let me change it to 48.82 now, because probably it may not touch 48.75 since we had new highs. Just placing an order out there. Completely missed NEO. But the stock did not give any good pullback, so completely fine. Based on my strategy, I would not have got my order, so not feeling FOMO here. I'll wait patiently. Also looking at my scanners for any other setup. I'm cancelling my order on NEO for now. So WBAI, I would be interested in around 890 area. Looks like I'm missing out most of the moves here, but that's okay. Just placing an order out there in case if WBAI wants to give me a quick pullback. The low of this candle was around 9.6, and if it breaks, maybe I'll get my add around 890. Got my fill, putting my next add around 850. So just got 150 shares. Just putting in sell order for 200 shares around 884. I got my 200 shares exit at 884. Now I have just 250 shares. The stock is slowing down, so probably I'll exit now. Yep, I'm selling. I got at 891, so I think I traded that stock pretty decently, but it was a penny stock. That's the only thing that was worrying me, so I was being very careful. I got my first add at 888 and my second order was for 300 shares at 850, and I saw that the stock was hesitating to touch that level, so I went in with 150 shares at 856. I was trying to add 150 more shares, but I did not get it. Had I got that 150 shares, probably this would have been a much bigger winner. So on the trade, I made close to around $50. Now that's done. I'll keep looking for any other setups. Being conservative is not helping me today because stocks that I'm watching today are falling short of my support levels. I missed my add on NEO, I missed my add on BNGO, and now it's WBAI. I'm looking to add around 840 and it's testing my patience, but I'm not going to chase. I'm getting super frustrated here. Most of the stocks that I have are falling short of my support levels and they don't want to give me an entry. Maybe that's an indication for me to stop trading. So I've been waiting for the past 10 minutes for the setups, but both on WBAI and NEO, I missed my entries and it's kind of frustrating. So it's an indication that I should stop trading. I don't want to overstay my welcome, and I don't want to go into the holidays with a loser. Overall, an okay day of trading, making close to around $50. I'll take it and I'll move on. As I always say, the goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent base hits and live another day to trade. So I'll talk to you guys on Monday, and I wish you guys a happy new year. Stay safe, and thanks for watching. Bye.